Hello and welcome to this video on accessing your account on Bibliothèque Numérique. So when you go to sign in, make sure you have your Port Moody Public Library card ready because we will need your barcode number as well as your PIN in order to log in. And it must be a Port Moody Public Library issued card. If you have a library card through another library, you'd first need to sign up for a Port Moody Public Library card to sign in through our library on this particular digital collection. And when you're ready to sign in, just in the top corner here, there's the sign in button. And when we click on this, it'll ask us to enter our barcode and PIN. So I'm just going to do that now. And once we are signed in, we will have the option to check any of our current loans and holds. You have a maximum of 7 loans at a time and 3 holds. And if you'd like to check what you currently have signed out or put on hold, you can click on this option at the top of the screen. And it will show us any loans that are ready to be signed out, any active loans that are currently out, as well as any holds that we have placed.